feedback that we got from a bunch of people was that there was a lot that was introduced into this update and that it was just a little bit overwhelming. So what we've done is we've stepped it back and just set up a very basic homepage setup instead that people can is a little bit more digestible for people. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go create a page, same as last time. You're going to open it in the block editor. We'll call this homepage. And we'll set it to privately published. If it's privately published, then nobody except for us can see it. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to edit in the code editor over here. And then we're going to go over to this revised super simple modern homepage, grab all of the HTML for this, and paste it into here. Go back to Visual Editor. And we basically have the homepage ready to go here. We just have to change a couple keywords. Let's take a look at it just to see. So we got some trending recipes. The thumbnails that it's automatically pulling aren't quite what we want, but the overall structure is right here. So next thing that we're going to do is we're going to come into here. We have the homepage. We want to revise this. So this is the My Culture palette. We have gut-friendly recipes. So this is the site title. You're going to want H1 here. Next, you want a short description. So this is a collection of recipes that are healthy and great for your gut. You do want to be a little bit more descriptive in here, maybe 2 or 3 sentences. So trending recipes, original loving, this is pretty straightforward. We have an automatic order by comment count on here. This is a cheap proxy for popular posts. You do actually want to set proper popular posts here. We have a search bar, which is great to have. Category 1, so what we want to do is we want to go over to the website and we want to find what categories are we featuring. So we've got crockpot recipes, crockpot. We also have DIY. This does not have a heading. We've got natural solutions. What we've also had is a recently updated, so anytime you update a post, it automatically gets filled in here, and new recipes. So this will, by default, sort by what has been recently updated. The CSS for the thing is down at the bottom here, so it's you can just ignore that for the time being. We do want to change the heading, set crockpot, DIY, and natural solutions. Try these natural alternatives. Here's a few DIY projects you can make at home. Crockpot. Crockpot is a simple way to make a lot of healthy food at once. So let's update that. We'll refresh. Oops, the actual home page. Refresh. So the crockpot isn't showing. We got the category slug wrong. What we want to do is go into our recipes. Find it. We don't have it there. So go to dashboard, posts, categories, crockpot, and if you click on this, you can see it over here as well. The slug is right here. It's crockpot-recipes. You can close this down. Go ahead and update that. And refresh here. And there we go. We have basically a one-to-one replacement for the home page. It's actually a little bit better because we have fixed some of the structured issues. But this is about it. So when we want to set it live, first step we have to do is go to public, click update. Once this has been set to public, we can come over to settings, reading. Remember the title here, gut-friendly recipes. What we want to do is set a static homepage for gut-friendly recipes and save. And then finally, we want to go over to the appearance and the widgets. We want to drag everything down to the inactive widgets down here, so homepage middle, bottom, and above. Drop that in. This just clears out all the homepage widgets. The themes are designed so that if there is anything on the homepage, it will automatically override everything. So now that these three areas are clear, we can come back here, click on the homepage, and there we go. It should be live. So from here, we want to go and customize the image sizes, maybe regenerate thumbnails if that's required. But it's completely live. It's been about 5 minutes now, so it's a very quick solution to get this done. If you have any questions, leave it on the comments section of the post, and we'll provide separate videos for creating the simple recipe index as well as the about profile after this.